Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina. And in today's video I'm gonna be doing this 90s inspired side swoop. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It took me multiple tries to get this right because I initially wanted like bangs, but it wasn't working out because I don't know. And I feel like I'm actually gonna just include my little mishaps and mistakes in this video just to show you guys that it's not always easy on my side. So if you find that you are trying these hairstyles over and over again at home and they're just not working out, don't give up, okay? You will eventually find a style somehow, some way, because that's what I did eventually with this one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a comment before you... Yeah. Alright, so initially starting off with this hairstyle, I mean everything started off well, you know, started off good. Started off with Eco Style Gel, the the red one. I started off with Eco Style Gel, the red one, and I used some Isoplus hair and edge holding gel, and then I slept with that overnight. So my hair was dry, like I was ready for this hairstyle, and I feel like that's maybe the reason why I persisted so much. And then I had some magic hair extensions in the style Maxine. Yeah, in the style Maxine. So what I did was, because this is a weave and I've had it for the longest time, I didn't know what to do with this hair, like for the longest time, because it is kind of silky. And then I only realized the other day, girl, if you comb it out, it will turn into a natural hair texture. So that's what I did. So if you comb out this hairstyle, or this weave rather, it comes out kind of yucky braidish. Yeah, so I absolutely love it when you comb it out because it's like a blowout. Yeah, it comes out looking like a blowout if you comb out this weave. So I decided, you know what, let me use this, let me create this hairstyle. I've got this idea in my head. Boom. Yeah, gotcha, it's gonna work. Okay, well, first of all, fingers crossed. In the very beginning there was hope in the beginning. Okay, so as you can see, this is the hairstyle that I was trying to go for. I was trying to go for bangs in the beginning. Like I was out here hopping towards the bangs. I was like, this is gonna be so quick, so easy. That's why I'd even slept with my hair already tied up or whatever, because I've already shown you guys how I sleek up my afro. If you haven't watched a video on that, I mean any video you watch really where you see my hair sleeked up, you will see how I sleek up my hair into a bun. So I was like, I want this to be one of those easy hairstyles, you know, that you just go in there, insert the hair extensions, and you're done, girl. Okay, well, as you can see, these hair extensions were super straight, so I decided to curl them using like that is a nervous laughter. Do you see that laughter? As you can see, I completely burnt through the hair extensions, girl. Oh no, honey, no, it was not looking good. And then I decided, you know, no, we can fix this. Let's go on ahead and curl it some more. Please don't ask me why. You know how they say like different people react differently and they have like fight or flight or whatever mode in a crisis? I'm clearly one of those people that will keep trying something even though it's not working. Like, stop walking towards the lion. It's not working. It is not. No. It looks like I've got a relaxer gone bad. It looks like I've burnt my ends off. It looks like I'm still struggling to hold on to that relaxed hair even though it's not working. We've all seen this hairstyle before, guys, unfortunately. But like, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to curl it with my hands. Attempt 2. Let's just move on to attempt 2. So I was like, you know what, it's fine, I've got this. Okay, so I basically did the first thing that I did with that first hairstyle, and I was like, this time, yeah, I'm determined. This time, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna curl this hair whilst it is still long, because clearly that's what I did wrong, right? I curled it when I had cut it. So let me just cut a little bit on the sides and then curl it properly, because that's what I did wrong, right? And I also curled it with lower heat. So I mean, hello, what could go wrong? And then I decided to cut the bangs once again. I kind of wanted semi-long bangs. As you can see, like, really though, I tried to do that up down cut thing, but girl, what is you doing? No, oh. Listen guys, I had so much hope. Listen, oh my gosh. This is when I realized, you know what, maybe this style is not going to work. Maybe let me do a side swoop. But now I've already cut all that hair. The side swoop is not going to work. So I was like, okay, let me do a top bun and then let some of the hair like loose or whatever. And then I cut the loose hair too much. And I was like, but this is so boring. Like, what am I supposed? Defeat. Attempt 3. Okay, so this was now attempt number 3, same thing as hairstyle number 1 and number 2. I decided to go in with the uncut weave. I'm pretty sure this is like 10 inches. I don't know, 8 inches. I don't know how long this is. But I decided, you know what, let me not cut it. Let me go in with the full length of a weave and try and salvage something out of the fact that I slept with my hair up in this bun and this gel. I am not giving up. We are not going home. It is not time yet. And then I decided, you know what, let me do the side swoop, you know, 90s style or whatever. But as I said, the hair is quite silky, so it doesn't necessarily hold a style. Like you can't just style your hair and go. Like, it's not one of those extensions. I literally started watching YouTube videos and listening to music. That's how annoyed I was. This hair extension, by the way, guys, I'm not complaining about the hair extensions. The hair extensions themselves, I love them. I love the texture. I love the way that they look like it's a blown out natural hair. Or if you have relaxed hair, it could be like relaxed hair that doesn't have all that oil in it or whatever. Like, it's basically just the perfect texture in between natural hair and relaxed hair. Okay, so I decided, you know what, let me do a side swoop. And as much as I like this side swoop, I do have to say, if I could change anything about it, I would have done a more dramatic side swoop. So I would have gone down more on that right side, and I would have added more hair onto the bangs. But that's what I ended up deciding to do. I decided to do a side swoop, and I decided, you know what, sis? This is going to be a 90s inspired side swoop video, and that's that. Okay, what I'm not gonna do is I am not gonna let this Eco Styler gel go to waste. We are in lockdown, we are in quarantine. Okay, I cannot go out there and buy more gel. So I have used this gel, I have gelled up my hair. We are doing a style right here, right now. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. Put on some red lip and some heavy lip liner, and I called it a day. So I know, as much as the style looks easy, in the end, it was actually one of the most, it took me forever, guys. Like, my camera was switching off. I was running out of space on my memory card. Like, the style, I'm smiling here because it's done, but like, nah, B, this took forever. Lesson of the day, don't give up, especially if you are also on lockdown. Well, what do you mean also? You are supposed to be on lockdown. You're supposed to be at home. Can you see the texture of this extension, guys? It looks like hair. Love it, love it. But you know what? Don't give up. That's the style. I love you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And that is it, you guys. Well, I would like to say that is it, but this was one of the more challenging videos that I've done, which is ironic because the style is really not even that complicated. Like, if you were to look at this in the street versus the other styles that I've done, you'd be like, oh, okay, so what is the problem? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below and what other videos you'd like me to do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.